Welcome to Statistics. I think that this is going to be a great class for you as you pursue your degree and you see how statistics really works well in your personal and professional lives. A little bit about myself. I do live in Wisconsin, have for a few years. Really love it up here. Love the fact that we get the full season and all of the colors and the snow and the sun, and there's just so many things that we can do. I do have 4 daughters, and they continue to bless me with beautiful grandchildren, and I enjoy spending time with them. I also enjoy sports, football, March Madness, give me some baseball mixed in there. So a little bit of everything. I really like being outside as well, whether it's, in the boat or walking the trails. And you probably most likely find me in my kitchen cooking or baking. I do enjoy a lot of time in there. But I'm really looking forward to working with you guys this term, and please reach out. I'm here to help you succeed. Any questions, anything that you need. Let's work together, and we'll get this class done.